Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today, guys, we are going to take a look at this awesome blower made by MICWELL. Now, there's a couple of reasons this blower is awesome. It's a lot different than your average blower that you see. The first thing I'm going to show you that makes it different is it has a push button up at the front and it's going to rotate, which means this can be an overhead blower or rotate it back. I can blow underneath, or like say I'm blowing off a sidewalk or something. So it kind of gives you a little bit of versatility that your average blower is not going to give you. The other thing that I like is this uses the Dewalt platform 20-volt battery system. So if you have Dewalt batteries and you work with that platform, this blower is going to be fantastic for you. You can use the aftermarket Dewalt 20-volt batteries. You can use the regular Dewalt 20-volt batteries. And you can use this one, which is the Flex Boat, which will work 60 volts or 20. The advantage to this is it's going to have a lot of amperes, which means it's going to run for a very long time. Now, when you get this, it's going to come with this, and it's going to come with a couple of attachments for the actual blower hose. It does not come with the batteries. You're going to have that yourself. So let's go ahead and take a look at the couple of attachments that you get. Now, I'm going to tell you these attachments, which are basically the hose ends, are fairly heavy made. I can squeeze them. They're not actually, compressing like a lot of cheaper hose pieces that I've seen out there. Now, I've actually seen some cheaper hose pieces even on more expensive tools that are just not made very well. These are made pretty nice. And you can use the short one here first, put it on, and let me show you how this goes. It clips in and you turn to lock it into place. So it's not going to blow off or fall off real easy. And I like the short one. If I'm working in my wood shop and I've actually got wood shavings all over a table, I can blow everything off close by. I really think that's a very cool option. You can pull this off and you can add the extension so that now, lock it into place. If I'm going to be blowing sidewalks or something down, I can get a much further reach. I can put my extension on the end. And the reason I like the little extension is because it's coned. So it's going to concentrate that air down onto whatever it is I'm actually blowing onto. So everything is turned and locked into place and you're ready to rock and roll, except you have to put the battery on. So you're just going to take your battery and simply slide it on just like you do any other type of DeWalt tool that requires this battery. Now, it has a lot of balance, and I can spray this direction, or like I said, I can turn it and go this direction and spray down as well. If I really want to pinpoint and aim, I like the fact I can hold this thing and aim as well. Now, keep in mind, this actually puts out 500 CFM, 130 miles an hour, so it's not a weakling. It will move a lot of snow, a lot of leaves, a lot of debris. So what we're going to do next, guys, is we're going to go outside and we're going to attempt to use it on some leaves, and we're going to see how it works. All right, so let's go do that. Yeah, it's definitely moving the leaves, and it especially moves them better once I start breaking it up. So I imagine if I had gone over this with a light rake and tried to rake a little and then blew it, it would work much better. Like I said, these leaves have been down here for probably about 2 seasons in this area. So not bad. Let's go try a different area with a little bit more dusty type leaf and see how that works. So there you go. You got to see how it actually works. It's extremely powerful, does a great job. If you're using the big flex volt batteries, it's going to last a long time, or use a battery with a lot of amp hours, it's going to last much longer. But works fantastic. I love the articulating arm on it. Everything is great. If I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it does everything I expected and so much more. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.